A total of 308 mobile registration centers have been established in Manicaland to facilitate the mobile biometric voter registration, while 53 mobile registration teams were deployed. The exercise is targeting those above 18 years of age who would want to register to vote, those who lost their identity documents and are eligible to register as voters, as well as those who are 18 years and above and require both birth certificates and the national identity documents. The program also coincided with a voter education program that saw Zimbabwe Electoral Commission staffers hitting the ground running on Sunday as they embarked on a door-to-door program. The mobile biometric voter registration teams are spending 2 days at a center, while the civil registry department teams that are issuing identification documents are spending between a day and 5 days on a center, depending on the location. In Manicaland, the document issuance exercise is targeting some of the most remote parts of the province, among them Ndima in Shumanimani, Mahenye, Tamandai, Mundanda and Chinyankwakwa in Chipinge, Chinenga, Chiwome and Mugoti in Makoni, Musapa, Chipendeke and Zvipiripiri in Mtare Rural, Mparusa in Mtasa district, as well as Fombe, Kazozo, Chipatarongo, Avila, Tsatse in Nyanga.